Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In our today video, we will be providing you solution of generative AI Hamburg 2. So, if anyone is new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing lab solutions for our kids. So, let's start the lab. Click on the Start Lab button. Lab is started. So just copy this application URL and even you can, and now open this URL in incognito window. For that, click on new incognito window. Now paste the URL here and press enter. Our task 1 is completed. All the uh, all the work of this lab is we will be doing in this application. So for the task to go back to the lab instructions, now scroll it down. Now we want to interact with our chat box. For that, click on the Helga persona. So go back to the lab instructions. Click on the second second chat Helga. Yes, I have clicked on it. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this hello code and paste it here and press enter. Now go back to the lab instructions. Copy this code. Go back to the lab. Paste it here. Press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this fourth command. Paste it here. Press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this fifth command. Paste it here. Press enter. So here we have completed our third task. Now moving ahead with our task 4. Copy this first command. Copy this first command and paste it here. Press enter. Now go back to the lab instructions. Copy the second command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the fourth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the lab instructions, copy this fifth command, paste it here, press enter. Now go back to the task 5. Now we will be performing our task 5. For that, we just want to take the assessment. Finally, answer the assessment question based on the topic. So go back to the lab instructions, and now go back from here, this arrow. Now click on the quiz option at the bottom. Now you can select any one of it. Doesn't matter you selected correct one or wrong one. For that, let's select any one. So its correct answer is LB. Now by this arrow go to the second question. What is the most famous landmark of the Hamburg? So you can select from any one of it. So its correct answer is the LB Philharmonia. So our quiz has been done. So go back to the lab instruction. Just click on the check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Okay, it is showing that lab is not completed. So just click on this bottom right button. Your lab will be completed. So here we get a pop out that congratulations, your lab is completed. Now if you click on the check my progress, you will definitely get a green tick here. So our lab is completed. Just click on the end lab button and click on end lab button. Cancel this. Go back to the level 3. Now you will able to see the green tick here that you have completed this lab. So subscribe to our channel for getting these amazing solutions, and like and share the video. Share the video to those friends who is participating in this arcade program. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.